What up, you guys? Just got back home for the rain. Getting ready to install the new Fender Eliminator. Hey you, brisket. Wait 1 sec, little dog. I am replacing this. I ordered one from the UK because it was one of the only ones that I can find. Hopefully taken off pretty easily. I haven't seen a single video of anybody removing one on a 25, and from what I can tell, it's only got one fucking bolt in there, so I don't really know if it's just the one bolt, because if it is, that'll make it really easy, but I guess we'll dig in and find out. All right. The bag. Oh, look at this. MG Bike Tech. I'll post a link in the description for these guys. Oh, some stickers. Pretty cool. Yeah. Interesting. So, oh, Austria, huh? Apparently it's made in Austria. Fully adjustable plate angle, suitable for original 8mm, 10mm connectors, LED, reflectors. Oh shit, I don't know what that was. Oh, some reflectors that we're not going to use because that's lame. Holy moly, they really taped this on there. Alright, let me rip this. Hold up. There it goes. Alright, throw that there. You two don't need this. Alright. Let's see what she comes with, baby. Okay, some hardware. Nice. More hardware. One's 10, one's for 8. That looks like it's for my indicators. Damn, more hardware? Zip ties? Oh, these guys really know, huh? Alright, let's see what else. This looks like something. Some brackets. Okay, the actual mount to the bike itself. I didn't realize it came with an LED. Pretty cool. That's what your license plate goes on. Although I might just take this off. I don't really care for it, and I don't feel like wiring it to my battery. Alright, let's take this off. Yo. Alright, I just looked at the manual. For the actual seat, you literally just pull up. That's it. It's just held in by these little plugs. Interesting. Wow, look at all this stuff. Fancy. Is it a 1/8? No. This looks too small. Alright, we'll do it real light. I seem to not have this Allen key for some reason, so. Oh, nice. Nice and easy. And it's gotta go in nice and easy too. Yeah. These little washers on there, plastic washers. Interesting. Let's see, back keys has some plugs on. There we go. There we go. Let's just pop right off. There we go. Can see those bolts later. Let's out quick. 1, 2. There we go. Okay, this. And mash the shit out of that. There we go. As close together as possible. There we go. Pretty smooth. Okay, so this whole thing comes off, I'm assuming. Let's see. No more breaking anything. Nice. Just not breaking either. I don't like this side off. Doesn't let anything into there. Okay. Keep that one on. Pop this one off. The little tab switches in. It should just slide right out. There we go. I don't know who the fuck put this on this bike, but it is on there so freaking tight that, like, busting the gun out. Pray for me. I really hope I don't strip another bolt. There it goes. Dear God. Yo, whoever installed these bolts needs to chill, man. These are fucking so hard to come off. Alright. Okay. Power tools. Survive. My first fucking. I guess I'm scared because my handlebar thing got stripped because of the dealership over tightening my freaking handlebar weight, so I had to order another handlebar, which was unfortunate, but there you go. Oh, she's hanging. Alright. Sam. Oh, yeah, it's just hanging in. Alright. Show you guys what I'm doing here. It's just 4 big bolts and then 2 Phillips bolts holding this together. Alright, looks like it just fucking easy. Alright, found the actual wire bundle, which is right here, which is kind of. It was tucked in under here behind this, so it looked a lot harder to see than it actually was, but it is literally just right here. So we got the blue. I'm trying to do this without fucking. There it goes. All right. Boom. Let's do this without it. Preferably. Shazam. There we go. Ugh. Wow, it is tight. Oh, there it goes. I'm just. There it goes. Alright, we got the old fucking fender off. Oh shit, what was that? Something just fell out. Don't know if I'll need those washers, but I want to keep it with it. Alright, let's get the new one set up. Alright, I'm going to take off this LED because I don't think I need it. Nice. Skirt. Put that back in the box. But you know what they say, you don't need an LED anyway. Skirt. Alright, now we'll process. Get these lights out. Boom. Alright, let's just pop off. Okay, it's done. Okay, I can't really see, but there's just one Phillips screwdriver screw in there. Getting one off is hard, but once you have it off, you can pull it apart and get that other one off real easy. Trying to do it without fucking stripping anything. Because Lord knows, that is the fucking worst, man. Alright. So the bracket that was holding it in just pops right out. And it should, allegedly... Oh, see, there's another fucking bracket in there. This little clip right here, I just use the Phillips to pop it off. It just comes off like that. Pretty self-explanatory. And it should pop right out. There it goes. Nice and freaking tight plastic, good lord. What the hell? Oh my god. Alright, for real, I'm already losing shit. Alright, I got the side brackets on, and I got the right blinker. So there's a plastic piece that's in here, and I could not get it on for the life of me. But, yeah, it's a pain in the ass getting this rubber through these little fucking holes. So, after I squeeze this through with a flathead, I will show you guys. Alright, mash the rubber through with the flathead. Now, this piece should just slide right back up in. Just like so. Make sure I got the right direction. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. That's all there is to it. And it's fucking in there. I mean, I'm assuming I'm gonna try and put this back plate back on there. But, yeah. I'm assuming that these have covers for a reason, but it's pretty covered. This plate goes over like so, holds the rubber down Right, just like that. Yeah. Shazam. Just like so. And obviously, you don't have to like Hercules it on here. It's on there pretty freaking good. Just try to do it without stripping it. But as long as that bracket's on there, this thing's not coming out. Okay, so some what's new with the 2025. I never really looked at a 2024, but the bracket goes out like that. It flanges out a bit. So, assuming that this is all tight, this bracket allegedly should line up. Alright, so there isn't really any clear instructions on how to do this, but I'm assuming, I left this kind of loose so I could adjust it later, but there's a metal bracket here that these bolts screw into to hold the bolts into place. I'm assuming you could just straight raw dog this and just put it up, but I'd like to hold and keep as much of this out as I possibly can. So I'm gonna screw these 4 bolts out and then see if I have space to basically put these nuts that they came with through those bolts and securing this on there. I don't know, we'll see. Alright. I don't see no dang torque spec for those, but send it, brother. Alright. Let's see if I can show you guys what's going on here. Alright, let's see how the bike reacts to this stuff being installed. And no rear light. Nice. Nice. And hell yeah, boy. We're in business. Doesn't give a fuck about that rear light. Alright, Fender Eliminator fully installed. On there nice and tight. Wiring doesn't look too bad. Put those 4 bolts in there. There's a little hole right there, and I'm probably just gonna throw some tape on that or something. A little bit of electrical tape never hurt nothing. But yeah, let me get the fairings back on and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Apparently, if you download this code, there are install instructions for putting this in. So, yeah, don't do what I did and do it by just fucking feeling it. Probably not the best move, but it's in, it works, and it looks nice.